I am Yasminah. My name is Yasminah. Hey you guys, this is Yasminah. This can go on for hours trying to execute the best line to start off a video I will never post. Fear of the unknown holds me by the throat as I wrestle with my image, questioning my existence within the realm of what I have painted of myself. Is this normal? And if so, what is normal? And why do I want it to be normal so bad? That we forget the uniqueness that makes us who we truly are, designed by Allah. Are we ungrateful? I am too fat, too thin, too dark, too light. Gratitude. During the pandemic, I learned how to be kind to myself. Too many lives have passed in the span of a year, and they weren't given the opportunity to live on one more day like I have. I look at myself in the mirror at least once a day now, and I tell my reflection that she is beautiful, that she is worth it, that she, although sometimes feels broken, that everything will be alright. That the road ahead will get smooth one day. The cold and the chills that comes with nightmares and night will one day disappear, and happiness is what she feels.